potato Patty Too Bad from her kitchen in Nova Scotia, Canada, looking out at the storm. It's March 3rd. Temperature is minus. The one in here says -2, but it sure is coming down. Morning, girls. That is going to be so slippery with that snow on top of the ice. It wasn't because there was too much snow. But, being March 3rd, can only get warmer and warmer from here and melt. I leave the snowmen out until after the last snow. So, what are we looking at out here? We got I don't know, an inch on the table there, so yeah, I don't know when it's going to stop, but can't be much more of it. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow someplace else. Spring is right around the corner. Hello, girls. You guys want me to feed you? Give you your brekkie? Really? Come out of there. Come out. Out. Oh, she went in there. Come out. Kitty, kitty. Come on, get your breakfast. Come out. Well. Good girl. $25 after 10. This is the second time already she's been on me for lovin's. Hey, Mom's beautiful baby girl. Singing Mommy a song. Oh, I forgot to open the other curtain. Where are you going already? Oh no. Hi, Missy. Hi, Missy girl. There we go. Both curtains are open now. Looks like he's got the black van up by the house again. Oh, we never took it back down. That's right, too. We won't be moving it far in this. Snow on top of ice. Okay, Mommy's gonna go at it. There she is in the middle of the bed. Missy in there posing with the other cats. I know, I gotta get under there and dust, but it's one thing, it's hard for me to get up and down to the floor. Yeah, that's snowing, alright. Sticking to the trees over across there. Yeah. What a specimen. What a specimen you are. What a pretty girl. Yeah, Mom's just taking my sleep shirt off. I'll wear to sleep in. Callie. Brr. It's the chilly one, all right. I'll wear my black tank top today because I got the snowman earrings, the kitty snowman earrings with the, well, they're white and they have a red hood hat, but here we go. Yeah, the 18th of March is going to be 4-year mark. 4 years. I'm just going to wash these few pieces of dishes here. There's only 4 things to wash. Well, you get to watch Callie. I think I have enough food cooked. I was going to go out and do the soup, but not in a snowstorm. I have before, but I'm not going to today. Your eyes are open. Are you going to entertain the friends? Richard took the truck today, 4-wheel drive. He knew it was going to be slippery. The road is all white. I can't even see the center line. One more thing to wash, the pan I bake the vegetables in. I always want that washed so I can, if I want to cook something, I can just cook it. I don't have to wash the dish first. I know it's making a little bit of racket over here, but the sink is a porcelain sink. These sinks were in here when we bought it. I love them. Double sinks. I'm not right a lover of stainless steel, but I do love these. There we go. Everything's washed up now. I'll get my big red shirt on. And I'm going to go over there and sit in front of the computer and edit a video. She's not doing, she's wiggling her ears, that's about it. All that, and her tail, all that time. See, straight across there, you can see the road. Going along there. Well, that is the road. White. Snow covered. Oh my. I just got the video ready to start. Turn the volume up and the speed to 1+2. That's what I always do. And this girl come up here and Callie swatted at her, but she made it through, didn't you? You made it through. Mom's little girl. Yeah. There's the snowman. Well. Well, there they are anyway. Oh my. Kitties. I don't know what I'd do without my kitties. She actually purrs a little louder. I told this before, but she, I didn't even know she purred. And she always let my youngest daughter go and pet her. And she said she's purring, but I could never hear her purr. And she didn't get on me. And so she was here 8 years before she got on me. And then I could hear her the very slightest little purr. And now she purrs a little tiny louder. You silly girl. If you guys could only see her face. Oh my heavens. do it facing the other way so they can see your little face. Your sweet little face. Oh my goodness. Yeah. But the friends probably don't want to watch cats all day long. But can't really do nothing with kitties in your face. No biting. I have witnesses. All right, get going. You going? What are you gonna do? Come on. Do it. No, now I can't touch her because she's biting. Good. Callie. Callie just swatted at her. Oh my. There's my potatoes. But I'm caught. I didn't remember I needed to do vegetables. I don't have any vegetables. This will be my starch for my brunch. And like I said, I didn't do any vegetables, so I opened these. I ate those. I'm going to use my safety can opener, electric. Ah, that really grabbed it. This is beets. There was one spot there that it caught and it wouldn't go around any further. But that's alright. I'm dumping the beet juice down the drain. Yeah. Now I'm going to do a can of mushrooms. Oh, heaven's sakes. I think it's the cans. The cans are dented on the top or some such nonsense. This one's still... I'm going to dump the mushroom juice out too. I'm going to put half a can in my meal here. I dump the mushroom juice in if I'm making a soup. Mushroom bits and pieces. Or pieces and stems, because Richard doesn't like the big ones. And now we have tomatoes, diced tomatoes, no salt. This one's going around good. There we go. Uh-oh. You soon need to plug in 15% power. There we go. No sharp edges. No sharp edges here or here. Gotta love that. I do. I do, I do. Okay. Unplug the thingy. Opener. I'll deal with that after. Hey, I got my pound of potatoes. Maybe over a pound today because I didn't cook vegetables. Yeah, so. There's my beets. Yep, there's a black thing. Where'd I put the knife? Ah, there you are. Back in the strainer. Black thing. Gotta cut that piece off. Can of beets isn't nothing to eat. Another black thing. Yeah, I wonder if we get another brand if they're going to have so many black things. This is the Compliments brand. I was going to get a can of beets. That's why I brought the second can of beets, because I'm going to put them in the pickle juice. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. I forgot that fast. I wish I would have put my glasses on. Probably missing some. These are slippery to chop in your hands. Yeah, there's a black thing down there, I think. Yep. Okay, I got it. 2 more pieces. Come here. Not wanting to come on the fork. Don't want me to eat you. There, that's it. No, there's a little piece hiding on, clinging to the side of the can. Now I just splashed beet juice where I don't want beet juice. One can. Okay, so now that's the potatoes, sweet potatoes, white potatoes, mushrooms, and beets. Now, take the lid off of the, oh sorry, and put in tomatoes. I'll have to do a pan of vegetables after I eat though. Or before supper at least. There we go. Now just put the lid on there until supper time. Won't hurt anything. Here's my beet juice. I'm going to put a can in. I'll do that after I eat. I'll put that in after I, yeah, after I heat this up. Let's see. 5 minutes. Microwave's done. Here we have it. I'll put a little bit, a couple of this thing is, I wouldn't buy one of these again, I'll tell you. No, from Amazon.ca. It's full of pepper and full of salt, but I wouldn't, I don't like it. It doesn't squeeze very much or grind very much out. Oh, I was going to put some beet juice. Oops, sorry. There we go. I wonder if beet juice is just pickled juice, but it's pink or purple or burgundy or okay, here we are. Oh. Let's have the first bite going in. I don't have anything green. Oh yeah, Chef AJ made a beanless chili yesterday. I like beans. I don't think she can eat beans, but I like beans. I don't have any. I'm gonna make some in my Instant Pot. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, Mommy. You know, Mama's coming. Here I come. Better move. Missy. She doesn't usually do that. Oh my heavens. Can't you see Mommy? Can't you feel Mommy sitting on you? I put the little heater on. What's that say? That was something about TikTok. Come on. I just got TikTok and Snapchat the other day to see if I could find some ideas. Some cute ideas. But, come on. Good girl. She's never that hard to... Okay, now let's... Oh, I forgot I brought my fork over. Callie's no good to come because Mommy's eating. Here she comes. No. Here she comes. Missy, leave her alone. Now I got my spoon. Missy, leave her alone. I gotta plug this phone in. See that little extension cord which you're gonna give me? It's just long enough. Sitting here now, I can plug it in. Not quite over to my, I hold it with my knees, but I'm gonna eat and watch YouTube and yeah. I'm just here eating and watching Chantal, and she went through a car wash, and then now she's in Mr. Lube getting her oil checked and her fluids topped up and everything, checked her tires and stuff. And I looked over and there was that beauty. Flipping that tail. That's going constantly. Oh. She sees us looking at her and she doesn't like it. Okay. Oh, look at her ears go back. She's back under there again. It's not snowing as heavy. It's 0 degrees. But sticking to the trees. Beautiful. Just pray that the power doesn't go out. Holy moly. That's a good 6 inches, I would say. It's pretty on the trees. Very. I saw the plow with the salt truck went by a little while ago, but pray everybody gets home safely. You back there already? Mom's coming. There's clothes in the dryer. I gotta take out and fold later. This is out the back door. The back porch. See an icicle coming from the... Oh, look at the snow on that. Didn't knock it down from the last storm. I'll go out and shovel before 4 o'clock. I've been in the bathroom since I got up. I woke at 9. I didn't come in the bathroom yet. Interesting. And I know that because Richard hooked the bathroom door. Just making sure he's got the right pillows in there. I got a unbagging to do. But I hope to get it done today. Well, hello, Snowy. Yeah. You don't get on film very much, do you? You gotta be banished to the bathroom for a year. Until you get the store smell off you. The perfumey smell. Crazy old bat. Well, supposed to go a high of 2. Snow ending this afternoon. Rain along parts of the coast early this afternoon. 5 to 10 centimeters. We already got more than that, I think. Wind gusting up to 60 this afternoon, northwest. Tonight, wind chill minus 13 this afternoon. Tonight it's going to minus 11 and wind chill minus 22 overnight. 2 more centimeters of snow. Friday, sunny and minus 3. Saturday, sunny, minus 1. Sunday, flurries of rain. Well, we'll have Saturday anyway. I have tomorrow. And Richie will have Saturday. We'll work in the woodpile. Today was garbage day. But we didn't have much to go down anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Yeah, it doesn't even matter. Anyway, I'm going to edit something in the night. If I fall asleep, I fall asleep. If I don't, I don't. Because, of course, I was up in the night again. Mm-hmm. Missy's there. They're both here. There's room for all of us here. There it is. March the 3rd. Thick snowfall happening. Might be our last one. Yes, you can see it adding up on the table by the little Christmas tree. And there's Missy. She was having a bath, but she stopped. Callie was having a bath and she stopped. She's sitting here. But she was biting me. No biting. That's it. Bye. Oh no. Video stopped. This is the same as brunch time, only I added half a cup of corn. This I put in my bowl and put in the fridge for tomorrow. And I just added some pickles for something green here, and that was my supper. What are you doing over there? Was you hiding? Oh, she's singing to me. Meow, meow. I thought the snow was over, but it was for a while. The sun was out, and it was bright, and it wasn't snowing. But now it's snowing more. Oh, I almost feel like woozy. But I'm not going to pet you now because her hands are all clean for supper. Yeah. There you are. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty in the snowstorm. Callie. Well, the salt will take care of the flurries. She had her paw up on me, bracing herself with her leg there. Can't make up its mind. Sun or not sun. Oh, I forgot to do around to the other steps there. Oh well. I don't know, it's going to mild up and rain or what. Again. I gotta see what Amber Lynn's going to say about Nikocado. This was my dessert. 2 of these small bananas. Thank you, friends, for tagging along with us and watching our silliness. See you in the next one, Lord willing. I'm going to be shoveling.